welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm so excited to have you here. Today's video is going to be part of the challenge hosted by my dear friend Heidi Sonboul from Happily Thriving Heidi. And if you don't know who she is, I will link her channel in the description box. You should go ahead and check her out. She is amazing. You will love her. This challenge is called a Room of the Month challenge. If you know Heidi, you know she already hosted this type of challenges all throughout last year, and she started doing it again. I participated in this type of challenge last year. I redid my son's bedroom, and I'm going to link those videos in the description box so you can check it out if you would like it. And this year I decided to redo my daughter's bedroom. Beside me and Heidi, there will be 5 ladies participating in this challenge. All these ladies are so talented and have a great sense of style, so I encourage you to go ahead and check them out. But this year we're doing it a little bit different. There's not going to be a playlist where you can go ahead and check out all the videos. We are doing a hop. That is something that Heidi started doing it this year with all her friends, and we really enjoy it. I've done it once and I absolutely love it. So what that means, I'm going to have it in my description box. I'm going to have a link to the next person in this hop. You can go ahead and click on that link after you're done watching my video, and that's going to take you to the next person. You can see her video, and then she's going to have the link to next person, and so on and so forth until you come back to my channel. So for this video, we are doing the inspiration. We're going to show you what we had in mind when it comes to decorating the rooms. I'm going to show you what I had in mind when I decided to decorate my daughter's room. I'm going to show you some demo of the room. I'll show you some painting, some projects that I've done, and that's going to be it for this video. In 2 weeks, I'm going to have another video, or we are going to have another video, and that's when we're going to decorate and show you the big reveal of our rooms. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel and to have the notification bell on. That way you will be notified when that video is coming. Also follow me on social media. I will post when that video is going to be coming up. So now let's go ahead and I'm going to show you everything that I did. Okay, so this is how her room looked like before. This was probably 2 or 3 months ago while she was still in a crib. When we moved into this house, we literally just put things that belonged to her room in this room. There was no any kind of order, no style or anything like that. We just put everything, and I knew I would eventually take care of that and make it nicer, but for now this is how it looked like. So the only thing we changed was adding her toddler bed instead of the crib, and that's pretty much it. So I was super excited to be able to redo her room. I cannot wait to finish it. So this is the vision board that I had for her room. What I wanted to do in her room is I wanted to make it nice and peaceful and serene, and for her to be able to go there and feel good. I know she's only 3.5 years old, but she will grow into this room, and I wanted to make it not so babyish anymore. The colors that I chose for this room were white, gray, and blushed pink or dusty rose. So the first thing I did is that I painted the spots that needed to be painted. I did not paint the whole room because this is a fairly new house. It's only 2 years old. So the walls are still nice and clean. Except this wall over here, it needed to be touched up, so that's what I did. Also, there was not a lot of demo done in this room or in this video. You're not going to see a lot of demo because, like I said, I didn't have much that I needed to change, but there was a lot of painting of the pieces of furniture and decor, and a couple of other things that I wanted to do before I start decorating it. One thing that I wanted to do is that I wanted to raise the curtain rod all the way to the ceiling, and you see my husband over here taking this one off, and I was patching up the holes. Now in this video I couldn't put the new rod up there because I had a little hiccup and my drapes have not arrived, so I was not sure how high I should put them up, but that's okay. I'll do that in my next video. But the chair that I have ordered have arrived, and you can see us over here assembling it. I'm not going to show you how it looked like. You're going to see that in the next video, but we did put it together and I'm in love with it. If you're coming from other channels, I want to welcome you. I hope you will enjoy this video, and I hope you will take time to watch my other videos, and hope you will like them and decide to stay. Don't forget to click on notification bell on next to the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload my new video. My first painting project were these crates that we used as a bookshelf in my daughter's room. Also, my son has 2 of those as well. I did not want this color anymore, so I used my Rust-Oleum chalk paint in a linen white color, and I gave it 2 coats. For the first coat I went with a roller, and it was just easier to cover those colors, and then the second coat I went over with the brush because I wanted to make sure every single spot of these crates was covered. And I have to say that they turned out so pretty. I did not want to do any distressing on them for the fact that they're gonna be a bookshelf and a lot of colorful books will go in them, so I thought I'm gonna keep them nice crisp white, and I am so in love with them. My second painting project were 2 frames that I got from Dollar Tree. I was very excited to find this size of frames, and of course I didn't like the color, so I painted them white, and I decided to distress them just a little bit, and I am excited how they turned out, and I'm not going to show you what I put in them. That's going to be a surprise for the next video. This third project that I'm going to share with you today was this mini storage ottoman that was my son's, and I decided to keep it because it has really good bones and it's really good quality, very sturdy, and I decided to repaint it and reupholster it. So again, I sanded it just a little bit because there were some spots that were chipped. And I used the same Rust-Oleum chalk paint in a linen white. It is my absolute favorite paint, and I painted over. I needed 2 coats, but on the spots where the car picture was, I needed to have 3 coats. I found this poncho at my local thrift store in a perfect condition. It has this cute little hearts on it, and it is off-white color for $4.99, and I decided to upholster the seat of this ottoman, and I love how it turned out. I also decided to add little handles because that's how my daughter used to open this, and I just think it turned out so cute. I also have leftover fabric to make some throw pillows or other things that I want. I used Waverly chalk paint in color truffle and color mineral to distress this piece just a little bit on the edges. And after that I used water-based polyacrylic top coat to seal it. I also sealed all my other pieces that I redid. That is it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you will stick around, and if you like this video, as always, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go in my description box down below, check out Heidi's channel, and also click on that link that I'm gonna provide to go on to the next person in this haul. Click that subscribe button, become a part of my YouTube family. I would love to have you, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.
My heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around.